Hello and welcome back. Today we're looking at the Rolling Stones 2022 Music Legends 1-ounce silver bullion coin. These 1-ounce coins are part of the Music Legends series issued by the Royal Mint to celebrate the contributions of iconic musicians to popular culture. This particular coin commemorates the 60th anniversary of the Rolling Stones, one of the most influential and enduring rock bands of all time. The reverse design of the coin, created by artist Hannah Fizaklia, features a silhouette of the band performing in front of a live crowd. It's a fitting tribute to the Rolling Stones' legendary live performances and their enduring appeal to fans around the world. The reverse text reads, 2022, 1 ounce, fine silver, 999. The obverse features the final portrait of Queen Elizabeth II, designed by Jody Clark, and the legend of the coin reads, Elizabeth II, DG, Reg, FD, £2. In addition to its beautiful design, this coin is also made of 999 fine silver and contains 1 troy ounce of the precious metal. It's a high quality collectible coin that is sure to be treasured by fans of the Rolling Stones. One more thing to note is that these coins are British legal tender, which means they are exempt from capital gains tax. This makes them an even more attractive investment for those looking to diversify their portfolio with precious metals. If you're a fan of the Rolling Stones and want to own a unique collectible coin that celebrates the band's music and cultural impact, then the 2022 Rolling Stones 1-ounce silver bullion coin is definitely worth considering. Thank you for watching. For more information on these coins, please sign up to our mailing list by clicking the links below. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe, and follow us on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook and TikTok.